Listen to this meditation in the morning when you wake up, before you go to sleep at night, or any time throughout your day for extreme situations that you want to create a drastic timeline shift for you and your person, or anyone or anything else in your life. This is a reset. This is your shift in your timeline. Right now, you will let go of every version of the story that does not serve you. Now let's begin. Place your hand over your heart and visualize the person you want to come back. You will now begin to drop every version of reality where your specific person isn't with you. You are releasing, deleting, collapsing the version where you aren't living your highest timeline. You are the one they come back to. You are the one they crave. You are the one who lingers in their thoughts morning, noon, and night. You are unforgettable. You are magnetic. You are the love of their life. You are the one they can't get out of their system. You are the one they always come back to no matter what has happened. You are the one they return to. You are the one who matters. You are the one they dream of. In this reality, your specific person can't stay away. They can't resist you. They feel compelled to find you. They feel pulled to text you. They replay memories of you. They are obsessed with reconnecting. They are consumed with getting back to you because energetically, you are already united. The bond is alive. The connection is real. The love is mutual. You feel it. You know it. You claim it. What happened before doesn't matter. The old story is done. The shift has happened. They are thinking of you now. They are feeling your energy now. They are planning their return now. They are moving toward you now. The universe is conspiring now, aligning timelines now, rearranging realities now, bringing you back together now. You know what happens next? They reach out. They apologize. They open their heart. They admit they never stopped loving you. They confess that they messed up. They take accountability. They want to commit. They want to build. They want you. They want only you. This is not delusional. This is alignment. This is not fantasy. This is facts. You are on the timeline where your specific person is already devoted, where love is flowing, where connection is strong, where passion is alive, where commitment is real. You are already in your chosen reality. Feel it, own it, anchor it, because your specific person already feels it too. They feel the love. They are choosing you all over again. Now repeat after me out loud or in your mind. I am the chosen one. I am the one they commit to. I am the one they love deeply, wildly, and truly. I am the one they build their life with. I am the one they come back to every time. I am the one they can't get enough of. I am the one they claim publicly, proudly, and permanently. I am aligned now. I am so aligned with what I desire. I am everything they have ever wanted. I am peace. I am joy. I am excitement. I am home. I am the miracle that they never thought they would find. I am there forever. They wake up thinking about me. They fall asleep thinking about me. They are magnetized to me. There is no other option. It is already done. Your story is already shifting. Your energy is already aligned. Love is guaranteed. Reunion is done. Devotion is sealed. You are together and nothing can stop it. No circumstance, no time, no distance, no mistake. Nothing stands between the love that is meant to be. You're not waiting anymore, you're receiving. You're not hoping anymore, you're knowing. You're not chasing anymore, you're attracting. You are living in the end. You are embodying the version who gets it all. I hope you enjoyed this meditation. Type, they are obsessed with reconnecting to affirm. If you would like to get your desired person back as soon as possible, let me help you by manifesting them for you. You can sign up for me to manifest for you today at joybyjanell.com or by clicking the link in the description box below. Thousands of people's lives have already been changed with my manifestations. Subscribe for more content like this. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you in the next meditation.